Hi guys, in the past I have done a few videos where I showed you different kinds of Excel tools for placing orders on Interactive Brokers TWS. I recently developed a slightly modified version of the Excel tool for a trader. So this Excel tool can be used for placing basic orders like market, limit, stop and stop limit orders, bracket orders with up to 3 profit targets and auto adjustable stop loss. One cancels another order, and you can also place multiple selected orders at the click of a button. This Excel tool also has access to live market data, so fields like bid, ask, last, open, high, low, close, delta, theta and IV. So let me quickly show you the tool. So as you can see, there are 4 sections in this tool. The first section is the contract detail section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. Next, we have the market data section. In this section, Excel will automatically fetch live streaming market data from TWS. Then we have the order detail section. In this section, we can specify the details of the parent order, first profit target, second profit target, and the stop loss. And then we have the order setting section. Here we can specify certain order parameters. Then over here we have a few buttons. If we click on this refresh data button, this market data section gets refreshed. Then over here we have a couple of buttons for placing the orders, and I'll explain these two buttons shortly. Now, as you can see, I have pre-configured a few orders in this Excel. The first order is the market order. So for a market order, we just need to specify the action and quantity. Let's transmit this order to TWS. So let me open this Excel alongside TWS, and let's select this row by clicking on any cell and click on place selected. So the order is transmitted to TWS. Next we have a limit order. For a limit order, we need to specify the limit price as well. So I have used Excel formula to specify the limit price as high of the day. Now let's again select this row and click on place selected. So this transmits the limit order. Next we have stop market order. For a stop market order, we need to specify the stop price as well. So let's click on place selected, and this transmits the stop market order. And next we have the stop limit order. So for this order, we need to specify the stop price and the limit price. I have specified the stop price as high of the day and the limit price as high of the day plus 0.25%. Let's again transmit this order, and we have this stop limit order in TWS. I also wanted to show you a couple of other ways to transmit the orders. So let's say we wanted to transmit the top 4 orders. So what we can do is we can select the top 4 rows like this and click on place selected. So this will transmit the top 4 orders, and let's delete these orders. Now let's say we wanted to transmit the first and the 4th order. So what we can do is tag the first order and tag the 4th order and click on place tagged, and this will transmit the 2 orders. So coming back to the orders, the next order is a bracket order with 1 profit target and stop loss. The entry order is a stop limit order, and the profit target is set at 2% above the entry limit price. Quantity is 100. The stop loss is at 1% below the entry limit price. So let's select this order and click on place selected, and this transmits the bracket order. The next order is a bracket order with 1 profit target and the stop loss is adjustable. So for this order, we also need to specify the trigger and the adjusted price. So the trigger price is set at 1% above the entry limit price, and the adjusted stop price is equal to the entry limit price. Let's click on this place selected button, and this transmits the bracket order. The next order is bracket order with two profit targets and adjustable stop loss. So in this case, the first profit target is set at 2% above the entry limit price. Quantity is 50. The second profit target is 4% above the entry limit price, and quantity is again 50. The stop loss is same as before. Let's transmit this order. Now you will notice that this transmits two sets of bracket orders. Both these bracket orders have the same entry price, same stop loss price. Only difference is that the first bracket order has profit target at 2% and second bracket order has profit target at 4%. And then at the bottom we have couple of OCA orders. So for OCA order, we only need to specify the action in the parent section and leave all the fields as blank. And then we specify the profit target. So the first profit target is 2% above the last price. Quantity is 50 and stop loss is 1% below the last price. For the second OCA, we have the profit target as 4% above the last price. Quantity is again 50 and the stop loss is 2% below the last price. So let's select these two orders and click on place selected, and this transmits the OCA orders. I also wanted to mention that although I have used Excel formulas for specifying the various order fields, all these cells are actually manually editable just like a normal Excel. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.